Marijuana Justice knew that human rights is our strategy for reparations. Marijuana Justice and our stakeholders now are really focused on bringing these same narratives of liberation through the U.S. The Southern Human Rights Organizers Conference was critical for us to be a part of.
Everybody in this room signed up for something that's going to last a lifetime.
Virginia is the first state in the South to repeal the prohibition. In order to continue with the progress, we've got to create solidarity.
From civil war to civil rights, America implodes and black and brown bodies still suffer the most. And civility is a little white lie told to children in classrooms, a fairy tale turned fact.
Legislation be a disease, be flowing through the veins of my city, infecting my people with the plague, killing us off like virus. Done forgot drug dealer be cold for medicine man, so they flush us out like we be infection.
It's really just about rebuilding the community from the ground up together. And it's some of the most radical Black imaginations that have been able to bring that to the forefront.
We demand reparations! We demand reparations! We demand